Today we are going to be looking at division of fractions. To divide a fraction by a fraction, all we simply need to do is to multiply by the reciprocal of the second fraction. Is simply to multiply by the reciprocal of the second fraction. Which one is the second fraction right here in this question? 1/2 is the second fraction. In one of our videos, we explained the reciprocal of a fraction. 1/2. What is the reciprocal of 1/2? It is going to be 2/1, because all you need to simply do is to flip that fraction, make the numerator to come to the bottom, and then the denominator goes to the top. So now, how do we solve this problem? 3/4 divided by 1/2. What you want to do is to flip this fraction. So what I'm going to do first is to have 3/4. Then you change this division sign to multiplication sign, and then flip this fraction. 1/2 becomes 2/1. Then the next thing is to multiply as usual, just like we have done in our previous videos. You can use the cancellation method depending on how easy it's going to be for you to divide, or for you to simplify rather. So let's take a look at this. 2 can divide this 1, 2 can go in 4, that is 2. So if you take a look at this, nothing can divide anymore. So I'm going to have 3 times 1, that is 3, and then 2 times 1, that is 2. So my answer is going to be 3/2. If you take a look at this, you realize this is an improper fraction which can be converted to a mixed fraction, which we have also dealt with in one of our videos. 2 in 3, that's going to be 1, remaining 1/2. For a review on the conversion of improper fraction to mixed fraction, please review one of our videos where we dealt with that. Let us take a look at another example right here. 5/11 divided by 5/11. If you take a look at this, this is going to become 5/11. Change your division sign to a multiplication sign, okay? And this is the second fraction. We said that change this second fraction to the reciprocal. So this 5/11 becomes 11/5. All right. Then the next thing is for you to multiply. 5 can go in 5 one time. 5 in 5 is 1. 11 in 11 is 1. 11 in 11 is 1. You realize that the answer today is 1 times 1. 1/1 times 1 is 1. And 1/1 is 1. That is your final answer. I hope you are getting this concept. Let us take a look at another example right here. 11 over 32 divided by 5 over 16. The first thing you want to do is to rewrite this way, 11 over 32. Change your division sign to multiplication sign, and then invert the second fraction. 16 over 5, right? That is the reciprocal of 5 over 16. Now let us multiply. 16 can go in 16. It can also go in 32. That means 16 is a common factor of 16 and 32. So I will say 16 here, 1, 16 in 32 is 2. Right? What is the next thing? Is there any other thing that can divide? No. So I will multiply out. 11 times 1 is 11 over 2 times 5 is 10. Very good. If you take a look at this, you realize this is an improper fraction which you can convert to a mixed fraction. How do we do that? 10 in 11 is 1. Remaining 1, and then over 10. That means when you have 11 over 32 divided by 5 over 16, your final answer is one whole number, 1 over 10. Very good. Let us look at one more example in which we are going to be having one of the fractions to be a mixed fraction. I have 4 whole number, 1 over 5 divided by 3. How do we solve this? The first thing you want to do right here is to rewrite this question. How do we mean? This is a mixed fraction. Convert it to an improper fraction first. This we have dealt with in one of our videos. 4 times 5, 20. 20 plus 1, 21. So that means I'm going to have 21 over 5. Okay? Division sign is going to change to a multiplication sign. Alright? Also, 3 is a whole number, which simply means that 3 is 3 over 1 right here. There is an invisible 1 right here. So, in that case, you need to invert this. So, it's going to become 1 over 3. Okay? Now, let us go ahead to multiply out. 3 is a common factor between 3 and 21. So I will say 3 here is 1 and 3 in 21 is 7. Is there any other thing that can divide? No, I don't think so. So I can multiply out. 7 times 1 is 7 over 5 times 1 is 5. If you take a look at this fraction, this is an improper fraction which can be converted to a mixed fraction. 5 in 7 is 1. Remaining 2, then over 5. So your final answer is one whole number, 2 over 5. That is easy. I will encourage you to go practice more questions to better understand the concepts. If you are new on this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and click on the bell to turn on your notification so you don't miss any of our videos. I will see you in the next class where we'll be looking at more examples of the division of fractions. Alright, take good care of yourself, guys. Bye.